Welcome. Let's start with Microsoft Excel. On the Window taskbar menu, click on the Start button. Scroll down the list. You have installed Microsoft Excel. Click on Excel app. Now you can see Excel have displayed the recent screen in Backstage view. This screen is called in Backstage view. Click on Open. You can reopen your saved or created documents from here. Now click on New. You can open new workbook from here, and also you can open different variety of templates from here. Click on this button. This is the visual display of Excel screen. This is also called spreadsheet. This is sheet number 1. Let's know the details about spreadsheet. In Excel spreadsheets, we enter text and numbers in rectangular cells or tables. Spreadsheets have vast advantage in business like budgeting, management, and it helps to prepare financial report. We can also draw charts in spreadsheets. Spreadsheet contains rows and columns where we enter text and numbers. This whole sheet is called workbook. We enter data in spreadsheet, and after saving data in spreadsheet, we name this document a workbook.